In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a call recording on GoHighLevel tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the call recording controls in your account and how to choose whether to record inbound calls, outbound calls, or both. This guide assumes you already have your phone system connected in GoHighLevel. If you're all set there, let's jump in. Start inside your GoHighLevel location. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is your command center for anything related to your account, including your phone configuration. Inside Settings, select Phone System. This section holds the voice-related options for your numbers and calling features. If you manage multiple locations or numbers, make sure you're in the correct location before changing anything. Once you're in Phone System, go to the Voice tab. Depending on your layout, you may see multiple tabs such as Manage, Numbers, Messaging, and Voice. Choose Voice to access the options that affect how your calls behave. In the Voice area, locate the Call Recording section. Here's where you decide what to capture. You'll see options to record inbound calls, outbound calls, or both. Pick inbound if your primary goal is to document customer inquiries coming into your business, such as support or sales calls received on your published number. Choose outbound if your team places most of the calls and you want a record of outreach, follow-ups, and demos. Select both if you want complete coverage for training, quality assurance, or compliance tracking across every direction of your call flow. Keep in mind that recording more calls can increase storage usage, so align your choice with your retention policies and operational needs. Many accounts auto-save changes in this area, but take a moment to confirm that your selection is saved. If a Save button appears, click it to lock in the setting before navigating away. A quick reminder on compliance. Call recording laws vary by region. Make sure you follow all applicable regulations and your organization's policies, which may include notifying all parties that the call is being recorded. If you use a recorded greeting or voicemail, consider adding a brief disclosure there, and be sure your team is aware that recording is enabled. That's all there is to it. You opened Settings, went into Phone System, clicked Voice, and chose whether to record inbound, outbound, or both types of calls. With that configured, your conversations can be captured reliably for coaching, documentation, and quality control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.